Fascia Yoga channel. Today we will show you as a just beginner warm up and belly fat loose, thighs fat loose, this area fat loose, side back, lower back side fat loose, and we will do like just from the basic to that upside we will go according to that series. And so friends, you have to see this video and follow this. And one of most thing, this video is dedicated to my friend Cavalya. So first of all, we can sit in any Sukhasan, Vajrasan, Padmasan with you want. First of all, we will sit in some comfortable posture. In this posture, anybody can sit. Everybody can sit. हर कोई इस आसन के अंदर बैठ सकता है. ये सुखासन बोल सकते हैं. यहाँ से आप दोनों हाथ ऊपर करेंगे. Just raise your arm, stretch your body. Inhale and look up. Exhale. Inhale and look up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. When you go to exhale, first inhale and exhale. Just take your hands little back, like rotation type. First inhale, look up, and exhale. When you go exhale, just try to go back and down. Do it 20 times. 20 times at least. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. After that, raise your both arms upside and open your shoulder like back side. Take your back side. Stretch your hands. Your neck will be straight. Don't take your neck back or that forward, that back. Inhale. Exhale. When you exhale, just bend forward. Exhale. When you exhale, just touch your chin here, and it will good for your thyroid. Inhale. Exhale. Who has the stiffness in neck from this part, it will be also remove, and cervical spondylitis for good also. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. From here, now you can do twist. From just put your on the right knee, left hand, and right hand will be on the back. And from here, just twist here. From this, use this power. And first, you will twist from the here, and after that, from the shoulder, and after fourth number, just twist from look at back side. And another side. From just observing. First, put your arm, palm here, and after that, just twist to here from the stomach, and after the chest, after shoulder, look back and stay here. Another side also. Change. 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 Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This twisting posture also good for your kidney, liver, that stomach, intestine, for everybody, digestive system for also good. And after that, in a side bending from here, put your palm here, and here, just go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. in the starting you can do from like this, and when you go to practice after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, just straight, just fix your shoulder blade to near your ear and don't bend your neck, just straight here, fix and bend your left hand, that goes on the other side, same this side, go as much as in the starting. If your hips is going to suppose you are going in a right side and your left hip is going up, don't worry, don't panic. After a couple of days practice you will be stable, your hips will be stable on the same place. This will do, and after that both legs straight, from here little bit wide, as much as means not the direct open, and from here you can try if you can touch, and from here touch from right hand will be back here, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You can do 20 2 sets. 20 right side, 20 left side. One set is complete, and after that again one set, 20 and 20. And after that you can bend your knees, and from here just try, this hand will be this. Just do this as a beginner. Another side, put your palm here, and this side, like this. Only just do this. Don't try to catch your toes. Just this only. This area will be stretched, and this side fat will be squeezed, and both sides will for effective for both sides. After that, bend and forward bending in the sitting position. It will be very comfortable. You will open your hips area, pelvic bone area, and remove the stiffness of your hips area. Because always if we are doing that some work from our hand, and we are sitting or standing, this our middle area always engage in sitting position or the standing position, walking, running, everywhere. From here, just you can go with a straight spine. How much you can go? Suppose from here, here. If you are here, just stay here. And when sometimes if for the bending, observe me like this. From here, if you are here, and sometimes you can't go in the forward with straight spine, and then on that time you can go like this. When you will touch your head, and then you will get confident. Oh, I did, and more confident will be inside your body, and then you will go more deep day by day. From another side, same here. First stay here. If you can't do here, like you can do like here. And from here, when you will go forward and some pain is here, then on that moment you can put here like this. 2 blocks, or you have something which you have, you can put that. And from here, just do like this only. Slowly. Don't think about pain. Just focus on your pain. Don't think in a mind. Don't panic about pain. Pain is going or pain. Just think about this pain is going out from your body. And from here, after that, you can do like this also. From here, this also. like Siddhasana position, it is not complete Siddhasana position. From here you can do like when you will go forward, your heel will touch your stomach or lower fat or your navel area. Same with another leg, like this. And after that you can do like this one also. Now here this hand will be in the beginning position. If you are here, just don't try to push this back. From here, just try to move your body, hips area, just with the elbow like this, and your left heels will be on the floor like this. Feel the, now you can stay here. It will open your that pelvic area from this side. If you have that sitting job, then during all time sitting, your pelvic is going to that wide every day. It is also going for that, and also good for sciatica, nervous system, varicose nervous system, and hips, lower fat. From here, you can do also like this. Just put your elbow from here. Like twisting also you can do. And now same we will do another side. Observe me also in another side. First put your heel, the right heel on the left. Hips here good. And now just twist little bit and here. And same here. Twist your body like this. And don't try to, if you can't, then don't try to like forward. Just you can stay here. It is for very good. And after that, this in this position, try to hug this wall with both elbows. Try to catch. And if you can't, then from here put your palm like little bit, raise. When you will raise, then normal, and slowly when you will go to practice after a couple of days, you can start like this. And after that you can do a Surya Namaskar type also, which I am going to show. It's like just only for beginner person. Namaste. Raise your arm. When you raise, just from here, after that put your palm on your back and open your leg and push here forward, and bend your knees also from here. Like you can go like this one or this one. After that slowly both your leg close. Put your heel, catch your heel, put your knees inside your, After that, left leg forward and knee down. From here, you can stay here. Like you can put finger here and here for here. If you comfortable, you can do here also. After that, the right leg also back. Right leg in mountain. In mountain, if you can't touch the floor, then lift up your heel and bend your knees. Make sure your spine will be straight. And after that, plank posture, knee down. In the knee down, just here, you can do like this one, Marjariasana. 5 to 10 times. And from here, just put your chin and chest down. In the starting, when you go to practice, you can do like this one. This elbow. And after lay down just half, like cobra posture.
All body and stomach will be on your floor. Only chest part will be up. From here, put your palm near the chest like this only. Try to keep your navel on the floor, or after that you can put like this one also. Your navel, and inside this you can put like this one hand, make this position, and here from 20 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you will do 25, your stomach fat will be removed, or your shoulder blade will be strong, your biceps will be strong, triceps will be strong. So many benefits will be come from that. Your digestion system will be good, your lungs will be open for breathe, and you want your fat loose. That fat will be loose. Fat will be start to change in muscles, and after that, from here like this, 30 second at least. When you finish 25, 30 second here, and after same mountain, left leg forward, knee down, or you can stay here if you comfortable. Then again from here, again next posture. Then right, catch your right, both right and left heel in the starting, and from here both raise and namaste. This type you can do, or little wide your leg. This asana also you can do in the beginning from like this. This open your this so blade of opposite side, back side, and from here just put your palm on your knees, and after that if you are not comfortable, this pressure is going here, then you can take a block or some other thing. Another side also, and after that you can do like this one also. If you're not comfortable in that posture, you can do like this also. Like this you can do. Another side also. In this posture, next 3-4 posture will be you can do, and remove your fat from your body. From here, lay down, put your palm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can do 3 sets, 2 times more, and after that just lift up your leg from your knees and lift up your forward part. Then feel what is happening in your stomach muscles. You can do 3 times. In the starting, 5 second, 5 second, 5 second, and after 3 days, 10 second, 10 second, 10 second, and after 10 days, 20 second, 20 second, 24 round, and slowly, step by step, you can increase that. And after that, lay down and bend your knees. Next posture. From here, lift up your this like bow pose, Dhanurasana. After that, this posture will be very good scent for our body. age person can do. Child can do, old age can do, young person can do, man can do, women can do, girl can do. Lay down by your stomach, or put your palm, raise. If you can't raise, in the starting some problem is going, then take a block and from here, just stay here. From here, next you can do as much as like 20 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like you can do 25. 25, after 25, just stay in 30 seconds in the starting. When you will spend here from this area, fat will be removed. From this area, fat will be removed. This area will be fat removed. Or when you will just thyroid gland will be active. And stiffness in neck will be removed. Sometimes we think about that it is our fat. Sometimes our thyroid gland is disbalanced. According to that disbalance position, that we can't lose our fat. If you are doing that of hard work and that so many things that you can't lose. And after that, one more question. In the last, you can do like this, only this position. Stay here in this position. Engage your stomach. Engage your core stomach and exhale. And from here, just body from here, like this. Don't like this, don't do. Just stay here. This position. And after that, in the last position, like observe from here. In the butterfly posture, you can do rest or you can do in the your spine will be straight. If you can't do your body straight, then little forward or you can put something this type of stuff inside this. Look from here like this, and from here how much it is going to down, that your face of this will be open and straight here. And here make a mudra like this. Continue will be, because you are going to open or you are a beginner in the starting. From here start Anulom Vilom. This positions are right 20 to 30 times you can do, and in a couple of days you will see amazing result, my friend, if you are going to follow this. Because purpose of make this video is only one motive, because mostly people cannot do that fast type practice or that normal beginner practice. They can do like this type of practice. If sometimes you don't have time or you don't want to do that another workout that on that day, this type of workout you can do for every age people. And this is in the last time you will get more effect, positive effect, for you are giving the positive effect to your body. So we will meet in next video. And before that video, that if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon, that you will get notification. And so we will meet in next video. Namaste.